Hi guys, Anne here. Today I'm with a new look, and I hope you like the background. Right now I tried to decorate my background, but this flag fell, I got a new balloon, and today my dad and I went shopping, and we got this, and I want to do an unboxing video. Right now I'm on the chair, but yeah, let me go to my room to unbox it. There, sorry about that. I'm just really excited. I'm gonna do it around. My room is super messy. Not yesterday, but a few days ago, my dad asked some people to fix something and some vents were, a vent was under my bed, so that's why it's messy. Just ignore that. And let's dig into this. There's going to be puzzles. There's going to be puzzles in it, stickers, and you can color some coloring, like that stuff. So I'm just gonna rip this. I don't care. My dad also bought me these. I'll tell you guys about them in a different video. So let me just open this. I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's amazing. There's crayons and stuff. Let's see this table. There's a bunch of things. Alright, I probably won't show you much because I'm kind of in a rush because about this video. Seriously, I need scissors. Come on. Also, my dad bought 2 Christmas trees, small, but they were small, of course. You don't know her. Got me this since she was leaving. Yeah. And I'm only using my fence scissors because last sleepover, she lost some stuff at my house, and I had permission to use some of them. There's girls on these, and you can get a sticker and decorate the background. I want everything here to be perfect, so that I can use them. We'll check these out in another video. Okay. Here's a puzzle. It's called Hunter. There's 3 puzzles in here. There. Now it's super hard to see It's super hard to see this. But yeah, there are puzzles that are already put together. But yeah, we have to put them together. But I'll do that another time. My dad's gonna make macaroni and cheese, I think. But right now it's 6 more days until Christmas, and I'm so excited. My dad and I got a decoration, and one of the Christmas trees already came with already came with a decoration, so yeah. I'm so excited. This is what the whole thing looks like. But I'm not gonna do any of these things right now. I'm gonna try and show you the whole thing. Also, I might rename my channel something. And I like this new look. One of my clips. I don't think I've showed you these clips, but also I'm sorry that I wasn't making videos and that much. My family was in a lot of stress, but we'll talk about that in another video. Bye.